we continue our journey, and the next round is going to be simpler. My congratulations, you reached this moment. And we're going to do back post double crochet all over the round. In order to start the round, we go behind and we make one single crochet, which is back post single crochet to start the round, and 2 loops up. This one is our first double back post double crochet, and we continue with the next back post double crochet in this round. Now we have 2 of them, 1 loop. We need to skip the split, and we're making another one back post double crochet into the next double crochet from the previous round, and 1 more double crochet, which is back post double crochet, and 1 loop. Continue with the next 2 back post double crochet, and 1 loop. This is the wrapper, the pattern of our round. Continue this way till the end here. I'll see you soon. We are in the end of this round. We have left 2 double crochet, back post double crochet left to fulfill. 1 and 2, and 1 more loop and a slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet, which was the second loop. See you in the next round.